would you hear my voice? I was like, hello, hello, hello. Okay, oh, we're going?
Yep. Hi guys, so today I'm here with
Faith.
She is a middle schooler at the youth group that I help lead. So she wanted to do a slime video, and I've never made slime, and apparently she's a slime expert. So she's going to teach me how to make slime. We're going to do, what are we going to do?
We're going to do clear slime, edible slime versus normal slime, and then blindfolded slime dodge.
Yeah, so after I get kind of used to the slime, then I can try to do it blindfolded. Don't think it's going to work out too well, but
it's okay.
We'll see. I hope you guys like this. I know this is not the types of videos that I typically do, but I thought for like my younger audience, which I do know I definitely have, I thought you guys would love this. So I'm really excited to do it, and I'm glad Faith is here. So let's get started. This is her bowl. Oh, no, you said you wanted the clear one.
No, I said I wanted this one.
Oh, okay.
That's okay, guys.
What'd you get? I introduced this drink to her.
Woo!
What is it?
Pink drink. Okay, I'm addicted. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start off with glue. Okay, so we're gonna start off with clear slime. You just have clear glue.
Okay,
Okay,
so
ready?
we just put this in for
We're just gonna pour it in.
Okay.
Emma, stop it!
Ooh, this is satisfying.
Yes.
Oh, we're doing the same thing.
We have to put baking soda and water into this.
But how much?
I don't know. We'll figure out. Come on. We mixed water and baking soda.
And what is this? Is this the...
It's just like, it's an activator.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is going to make it not sticky?
Uh-huh. So then you're just going to add some.
And do you just kind of like wing it?
Just go for it.
Okay.
And then next
I'm
we're going to...
trusting you. Is that good?
A little bit more. Okay. I'm going to get some contact solution out.
And this is also activator?
Yeah.
Contact solution?
Just going to add this. Just going to go for it. I put the spoon.
Okay.
Stir it.
No,
And see, guys, look. It's just a clump. It's a clump. See this? It's a clump.
Wait, I feel like yours looks more slimy than mine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Just
Okay. Hopefully mine's good.
okay.
Wait. Look, it's working. Look at that.
We need another spoon.
This is so cool.
Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet. I know, right? Okay, ready?
I love this.
And then if you wait for like 2 days, then it'll get really clear. But then you just can't touch it for like 2 days.
Well,
and
that's
then,
disappointing.
so I need more baking soda.
Why?
Because then
Why?
it will make it less sticky, so I can touch it.
So I need more?
Okay, don't touch it yet. It's gonna be really sticky, so I don't know if you want to touch it, but I'm touching it. Look, guys, it's so stretchy. If you use borax, it's not this stretchy, but this is so stretchy. What are you doing? Making sure it's not sticking to me. Okay, I need more baking. More baking.
Reach over.
Okay.
How do I make this less sticky, Faith?
Okay. Mine is not sticky. Is yours sticky?
Let me feel yours. Wait, can you help me with mine?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's fine.
Feel my hands.
Clean up your hands.
Oh, okay, this feels good.
So you're editing this part out.
Wait, yeah.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so this is like the slimes, and it's like really cool, and look, it's like super clear. But we're just gonna add our
So
color.
it gets more clear as the days go.
But you just can't touch it, because like it has a lot of bubbles in it right now.
Okay, that makes sense.
I'm gonna add blue, but you can add pink. Just
2
however
drops.
much you want. I don't care. I just added like 4. Mix it. So it's like, see, mine's like getting blue.
Oh, it's all on my hands.
Yeah.
Does that happen? Mine's kind of red. I should have done less.
Later on, if yours isn't as stretchy as, like if you want yours to be more stretchy, then you're just going to add hot water and it will make it more stretchy and jiggly.
So would you say this is a good slime? Did I do good?
Let me feel. Yeah, you did good.
I feel like yours feels a little better.
I like your color better. Your slime's actually good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Good.
Ours are stretchy, but we want them more stretchy, so we're just gonna add hot water, okay? You're just gonna take a spoonful, bam, right on there, and then just mix it in.
I'm gonna do it over here so it doesn't.
See, mine's already better. Look through the slime.
I feel like I'm right back in middle school. I feel like I'm having so much fun with this. Okay.
So this is our slimes. They're actually like really good, and they're like really stretchy, and they're really clear.
So this was a success.
It was a success.
Okay, what are we doing next, Faith?
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we are going to do the blindfolded slime challenge. Here we go! Woo! Here we go.
I don't think I'm ready.
Let's go. Kind of scared. It's fine now. Ready?
Wait, hold on.
Can you see? I can't see.
I can't see.
First step is glue. Let me find my glue. Glue. Where's my spoon? Pour the glue in. Make sure it's into the bowl.
I love that sound.
It's a farting noise.
Yeah, exactly.
What? Bam. Bam. Okay, I think that's good. Next step is shaving cream. Got my shaving cream.
Is it going?
Yeah, I don't know. I think mine went in. Okay.
Mine's not. I had to look. Sorry. Cheater.
What? You look?
Is it going?
I don't know. Did you look?
A little.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll just keep my eyes closed.
No, you poured lotion. Found my lotion. I'll give you it
have
when
it?
I'm done. Yeah, I have it.
Wait, I gotta do something.
Next step is paint. I don't know what paint I just grabbed. Hopefully it's red. I really want red. No, I want no. No, I want that color.
Okay.
I just want red. It's fine. Okay, I think I just added a lot. Next, I'm gonna stir, and then I'm gonna activator. Are you stirring?
Yeah. Oh, freak! I did red.
What? You looked?
Well, I accidentally saw.
What?
My headband's not as tight as yours. Sorry, guys. I suck at this.
Okay, next, just go for your activator. Guys, I didn't cheat. Oh, I just picked this one. Water's dripping. Water is dripping.
I need to look.
No.
Is that glue? We can't let the glue drip.
What?
We can't make a huge mess.
Wait, you're looking?
Yeah, because
What?
Because I don't want to make a mess. I feel like this wasn't a good idea. Shoot, I dropped my spoon.
Do not look again.
Okay, I'm just going to close my eyes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, mine's activating, guys. It's activating. Yeah, I'm touching mine. Woo. It's quite stretchy. Oh no, I lost. Oh, my spoon is in my slime. Okay, that's not going to come out anytime soon. I'm making faces while I'm making my slime. Set that down.
No, I did the borax.
I did contact solution. Okay, this is my slime, guys. Hopefully it's good.
Sorry, I'm kind of looking.
Ready? Let's open our eyes. Ready? Go.
Oh, yours is pretty good.
Oh. Yours is so bad. You looked so many times.
Yeah, well, because I was scared I was making a mess, but it was just excuses. Hold it before.
This was good. I'm glad I didn't use borax.
It kills me when you go.
Me? Guys, so this is my slime. It's like really blue, and it's like one of the best slimes I've ever made. It's like so stretchy, and I love the color. Emma's is like a rock. It's like you're touching a rock.
Just put it under hot water.
Oh, look at
this. Looks like a heart or like some liver. Like a kidney. It's like a body part.
So let's move on to the edible versus real slime. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is make edible slime. And to do that, we're going to use these marshmallows. And we're going to use powdered sugar. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to pour marshmallows into our bowls. And we're going to melt them. Marshmallows. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to melt them. We melted the marshmallows. We put it in the microwave for 35 seconds, and then we put it in for 25 seconds, and then we put it in for 20 seconds. And now we're just mixing it and add powdered sugar. How do we open this? I'm sorry. Just put it in slow-mo and it'll look good. Don't you think so?
No.
Are you mad at me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm not mad. I'm just hurting.
So I'm just gonna, go for it. Wing it. Go. Oh, okay. Okay, now just mix it. Look. Yes.
I don't like making messes.
It's so good. Whoa. It's like kind of hot, but it's fine. Look at this. Emma, look. Okay, so this is my slime. So ready? Just I'm gonna eat out of it. Mine's so sticky.
Wait, shouldn't we put color in it? Can we do?
It's like
a dot.
Okay, do one to me.
This one kind of sucks.
Oh, you ate it. My turn to eat it.
Tastes like marshmallow gum. Is this like really hard gum? Do it.
I can't move my hands. Your hands. Let me see. It's like it's hard to swallow. What are you doing?
I can't. Oh.
I can't swallow it yet.
Don't look mine. This tastes so good, but it's so gross. Okay, let's clean up. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did by giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing if you aren't already. And also leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see more of these and what was your favorite part of this video.
Who do you think won?
And who
I
won?
think I won.
Yeah, that's a given.
Thank you very much.
Alright, so we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.